What's going on, guys? Today it's me, UltraMegaCraft. Today we're going to be playing Prehistoric Nature mod. And today's episode we're going to be doing a couple things. As in, we are going to have the first aquatic dinosaur to Jurassic Kingdom. And the one I've chosen is one that we had last series for the Fossils and Archaeology mod. And was kind of like one of my favorites. It is the Plesiosaurus. Hello, buddy. Stay still. Okay, I'm gonna get my Dinopedia. And where did he go? That's fast. Okay, he's tame to me, hungry, excited to be in this new world. Fish. This guy loves fish. Okay. So probably gonna get some fish for him. This enclosure was not built by me. A friend of mine played on my account, like this account right now, and decided to make this. And it actually looks pretty good. These are my piglins. I'll get into that after I make myself a fishing rod. I moved everything up here. Crafting table's over here. Fishing rod. Okay, let's get some fish. And then we can feed our little Plesiosaurus. Where did he go? Is he still in the middle? Oh, I see him. Come on, fishies. I found one. Oh, this raw fish. Okay. They do not look like that. They look like raw salmon and raw cod in like the latest Minecraft. So this is pretty cool. Oh, hey, Plesio. This is gonna come here. Watch. Okay, here's another one. Pufferfish. Oh, they look so old. Look, I'm gonna feed the little guy. Gonna eat. Oh, I think he's trying to make me eat. I'm gonna eat. Okay, buddy, you wanna eat some? Okay. Do I throw it on the ground? Oh, he does eat it when you throw it on the ground. Okay, that's pretty good. Gonna get fresh air. Okay, that did not feed him that much. Okay, I'm gonna throw another one to the ground. Maybe he'll eat a pufferfish. He ate it. Oh, they make like a cool sound when they eat. Okay, it does not feed him that much, but he's eating. Okay, so I gotta feed this guy like a lot. This is probably gonna, I'm just gonna get like at least 5 more fish. Oh my god, guys, we got a name tag! I went to go get like 5 more fish, so I just paused the video and like this first one I got a name tag. Which means we can name someone. And I think we should name... Actually, I didn't check the comments if we got any names for the dinosaurs. So I think we should save them and wait till we get like names for the dinosaurs. That's cool. So all I gotta do is throw it to the ground. He just looks coming near me. Like, I went there, he was there with me, and then he came here. This guy loves swimming. Hey. Oh, I'm gonna try again. I just saw something come. Wait, can a plesiosaurus, like in this mod, can it go on land? Because I thought they could go on land. Or no, can they only live in water? And don't they hunt for themselves? Like they can get their own fish. Okay, how full are you? One more fish will make you perfectly fine. Yeah. All I gotta do is like throw a fish to the floor, he'll go eat some. Let me just start that. Oh, okay, it's getting a little dark. Well, we still got 2 more dinosaurs to get. Here. Oh my god, pufferfish don't even feed them that much. It's just raw fish that feeds them a lot. But this episode we are going to in fact hatch 3 new dinosaurs. This is just 1 out of the 3. We're also going to show you the Brachiosaurus and the I can't pronounce the other one's name. Dicloastius or something? I can't remember, I'll go check. Okay, got one. Why did I press the button so early? Well, I'm just gonna get like 2 more fish. Okay, so salmon, I just got 1 salmon and I fed him, and salmon feeds him instantly. Like not instantly, but it feeds him the most. Okay, I'm gonna go and hatch the other dinosaur. So we're first gonna check on the Brachiosaurus and see how he's doing, and then we're gonna check on the other dinosaur, my carnivore. This series, I kind of want to like hatch dinosaurs I never got to hatch in my other series. Should be like up there. He is. Hi there, buddy. Oh, this guy is so big. He's full, 4 days old. 56 HP. Oh, I never gotta check this side. Arm lizard. 12 meters long. This guy goes big. This guy is going to be huge when he gets older. I believe I can control him with a stick. Let's make a couple sticks. Following. And hopefully he's old enough to attack. Is he gonna attack? Go, attack. Nope, he's just a gentle giant. You can go wander. Before I get started, let's go check my carnivore. I'm thinking of making the enclosure a little bigger, because there she is, the queen, probably, for a little while. 7 years old. I think this is the maximum height they grow. Or they grow a little bigger, I'm not sure. She is happy, nocturnal, that's why she's sleeping, and uses the bone to command. I think we're gonna sleep, and then we're gonna hatch the 2 other dinosaurs. One of them is going... Actually, no, I'll tell you guys later in the episode. But first, we need to get some... Okay, I'll explain the 2 piglets. I did not go to the nether. This ancient sword is like lightning. And when I hit a pig, or like I hit 2 pigs, they both became like lightning. And I owned them. Which is pretty cool. Yep. I think we should hatch the herbivore first. The new herbivore. Like the Brachiosaurus, this dinosaur grows to be really, really big. Like, almost as big as a Brachiosaurus. It's just longer in width size. It's got good height, but it's not going to be as tall as the Brachiosaurus. It is... I'm not going to pronounce it, I'm just going to hatch it. Oh, that's a problem. I didn't not get any food for it. Sapling gonna be good enough for it? Eat? Nah, I think I just need to get some seeds. 3 seeds are definitely not going to be enough, but yeah, 3 more seeds. Five. That was the worst voice crack. 5. I think I'll put that back. I just need to get 1 more. Yep, good enough. Let's go back to the dinosaur. And let's see how much longer we need to wait. Like around 50. Yeah. This sheep is going to be living with a lot of dinosaurs. I feel like they can just like walk out. Oh my god, you can easily walk out from this one. Yeah, like you can just walk. Yeah, not today. Nope, good. He's gonna have a brother or sister. It's like, it looks close to like the dinosaur. Looks like kind of similar. But guys, if you guys are enjoying this series, please leave a like and subscribe. Because I'm actually enjoying this series. Like, I thought I'd just get like bored because I already did this series, but it's actually kind of fun. Like, I'm hatching dinosaurs I never hatched before. And I got a Brachiosaurus. What should I name you? You can see his teeth even. It's not that detailed, but you can see the teeth. Oh yeah, we're here. It's almost there. Oh, I need to get the food. Hello, buddy. You already came to me, almost full, and you are a male. You got a baby brother. Wait, why don't you eat this? Why don't you eat these? Whoa! He just eats through leaves. And eats through that. Whoa, this guy is territorial. Okay, he's fast, but likes to lie down. Aren't you calm? This one's calm, right? Okay. Hopefully these two do not like fight, because that one's territorial. This guy's just a calm big giant. I don't think they'll fight. But this guy is cool. Double beam. He is tamed to me. Uses a stick. Yeah, happy. The chorus fruit featured a whole bunch of seeds, spores, and ferns. Ancient ferns. He lies down a lot. I think because he's just young, he'll lie down a lot. Okay, I'm gonna go head out and hatch the last dinosaur out of the 3. Which is gonna be in here. What's up, buddy? You wanna meet your new baby sister or brother? Since this dinosaur is a pack animal, I believe it is a pack animal. This is the female territorial carnivore. I believe it is a pack animal. 1 second. I'm trying to read as fast as I can see anything about pack animal. Or is in packs. Yeah, they hunted in packs, so this guy's a pack animal. Well, she's a pack animal. I'll make you do follow. Whoa, you can actually push me now? Whoa. Now I don't feel like the alpha no more. How much longer? Not much longer. I think I should make the enclosure a little bigger. Like, make it a little wider. So the dinosaur has way more room. Well, I did go iron mining and fossil. Let's go biofossil. Oh, relic scraps. I don't really want relic scraps. You guys got like another area to relax? Oh, I moved. I'm kicking it around. I'm just gonna kick you back in the heat. How much longer? 60%. I think we can make it a little bigger. So since these dinosaurs can actually climb through walls, I'm thinking of making like a little balcony area for them to hang out. I get it, girl. Ah, she's exploring the new area. This dinosaur eats eggs. They eat their own kind, too. That's pretty not good. Yeah, they literally just eat their own kind. If they're that hungry. So basically they're just cannibals. Okay, it's hatching, it's hatching, it's hatching. I kind of want this one to be a male so they can breed and make more. Please be a male. Please be a male. Please be a male. It hatched. No, it's a female. I'm not mad about it, but I just wanted a male. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. It ate 2 of my steaks. Okay, that's crazy. Okay, now it's happy it's a female. Exact same thing. But I think we should take her out on a walk. It's on follow, so let's just go out. This dinosaur over that small one's sleeping, so we can just take her out. She is the first dinosaur, so she basically gets special treatments. Can she fit through the door? Are you too big? Oh, I think she's too big. Can you come out now? No, she can't no more. I think she's too big. I think we just need to... But they can easily break out of everything, basically. I'm not sure. I think I should try break the glass and do another door. I got a crafting table. Let me I can check another door. Door. Break this door. Yeah, come on out a little bit. Just coming out. Yep, you can go explore a little bit. Yeah, no, that's not right. I think it should be like in this corner. Yep, much better. I need my crafting table back. Okay, let's go. Oh, I can see the Brachiosaurus right there. I don't want to go too fast because this dinosaur's not really the fastest, but it's like the best hunter. Like out of all the dinosaurs, this one could actually just kill everything. Probably. Like, just watch. And just bites through everything. It's a pretty cool dinosaur. I actually really like this dinosaur. Should be some more animals over here. Like right here. Yep, sheep. Gets close enough to me, and then we make it fight. This is like a strong fighting dinosaur. Will it attack animals just by itself? Yeah, see, it just jumps on top of its prey and attacks it from behind. Yeah, like it jumps on top of its prey like a bird. Yeah, like that. See, it just jumps on top of its prey and eats them. Which is awesome. I'm gonna head back to the house. It's getting dark and mobs will definitely come out. And I personally do not want to test if my dinosaur can fight mobs by itself. Because I do not want it to die personally. I want this dinosaur to live. This is the first dinosaur. Okay. I'm gonna show you what we got in the chests. Like we got this kind of stuff. I'm probably gonna put the name tag in here. Put some iron there. I'm probably gonna keep the stick. I'm gonna put some blocks away. We just got this much blocks. You're in the front house, or where are you? Oh, you're there. I'm gonna show you the DNAs that we've got. Okay, so we've got the Tyrannosaurus. Well, Tyrannosaurus. We also got the Ceratosaurus, which I kind of want to hatch, and some prehistoric petrified sapling. But I kind of want to do some ferns, not gonna lie. So the dinosaurs can have like prehistoric plants around. For that, we're going to be definitely needing a couple things. We're going to need milk, we're going to need an egg, one piece of wheat, and rotten flesh to make biogoo. Hey, buddy. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. That's probably one of the most rarest animals I'm ever gonna get. I'm gonna go and return you back to your house. It's one of the most coolest dinosaurs I'm probably ever gonna get. Oh, yo, cow. Is it nearby? Yep, close enough. Go. It will go for the kill. Okay, it's lagged out. But you can see what it does. It uses like claws and just like digs in. There you go. It just takes a while for it to load up. I do need some steak to eat, so that is like so cool to watch. Gonna go for it or no? No, I think you were close enough to see it. Oh, it jumped so high. Don't fall in there. Get out of the water. Come on, buddy. We gotta go. Okay, just go far enough that you'll actually touch the teleport. Yep, just through here. Yeah, come on. Why? Found it. Okay. How much more? Probably gonna need like 10 pieces, so wait till it comes to me. I think it's close enough. Oh, it just teleports. Okay, attack. Yeah, it's gonna be lagging around, but it does look cool to watch. I think if I go back a little bit. I'll probably wait till the game loads. You can even see that the claws, or how like detailed it looks. If you look carefully. Okay, this is just weird at this point. Like it's doing nothing. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna like ask it to kill something else or something. 11. Like, are you done killing it? Done for you. Will it be calm down now? Or will it still be like, you're not fall right back in it. Please do not fall. Sorry there, buddy. I think I'm going to take you back to the base. Oh, you're fine. Come on, just eat it. I guess not. I think it's lagged out. I think it's done hunting for the day. But it was pretty cool watching it, like, lag around. I'm gonna check in the Plesio. Oh, I see it's right there. I might go feed it real quick. What are you? Oh, the tar thing. Give me the blindness. Yes, burn, baby, burn. What the actual hell? Oh, it's not in there. It's right over here. If you look at the map. It fell right here. Okay, I'm just gonna wait till it comes and climbs out of there. Yeah, I gotta heat up my food. There you are, buddy. Okay, let's get out of here. I'm probably gonna head back to the base, cook up the steak, and then start eating it. And then I'm probably gonna go feed the Plesiosaurus, check on the other dinosaurs, and then I'll end the video there. By the way, each video, it's a high chance, all of them, my Brachiosaurus right there, I'm going to hatch a new dinosaur for the kingdom. Some dirt in there. Got some more here. I don't think we're gonna get like anything from that one piece of biofossil. But it would be cool if we got something out of it. Sand. I can use sand and make something. Yes, it followed me. I think it's good enough. I'm gonna go and like put her back. Okay, got some more of these. I think, not gonna lie, I kind of want to name her Queen. Because she's like the first dinosaur, and she basically just eats anything she wants, does anything she wants. Hey, buddy. Well, this is a cool dinosaur. But it would have been cooler if it was a male. Oh yeah, come on, Queen. You can now go and wander. You can go on wander. Well, like, okay, you are on some weird type of stuff today, man. Wait, did you grow? 9 days! Oh wow, we just noticed. Okay, so there's like green particles. Did you get bigger? No, I think after like age of like 5 to 6 they stop growing. Aw. They gonna stay next to each other. Yep, enclosures are closed. I put them all to wander, so they should be wandering. And let's go check above. Before it gets too dark, let's go quickly check on the Brachiosaurus and the other dinosaur. Where that one might be. Okay, you're happy. 5 years old, getting pretty big. You're way taller than me. You should be right. Oh, you're still here. You hungry? Nope, full and sleeping. A lot. Are you nocturnal? You do not move throughout the day. You sleep half the time. I'm probably gonna sleep right now and then go check on the Plesiosaurus and then end the video off there. If you guys want me to see, you guys want me to hatch any of the dinosaur DNA I have, I think my thing should be done. Yep, instant score. Back to life. Any of these dinosaurs you guys want me to like hatch? There are gonna be some dinosaurs I do not want to hatch. Personally, I'm not gonna hatch a T-Rex. Anything else, I'll probably hatch. Even the Liopleurodon, I'll hatch. I'll just make a big enough enclosure, hatch it, and never go near it. Because the Liopleurodon will actually try to eat you. Personally, it will. Yeah, more food. I can actually like right click and like command them. Like you can stand, you can sit, stand, you can sit. I can like an infinite like size army. I like hanging around this area. Well, I'm just gonna go fish. Get some fish and then feed my Plesio. Then check on how it's doing. Oh, squid, you gotta move. It's not that interesting. Oh, there you go. Fish. Bless you. Gonna go for the fish? No, but we can't see how bright orange you are. You are a female. Oh, you're already full? Oh, I can use a Nautilus shell to command you. Man, if there are drowned mobs in this game, I'd be able to easily command you. Wait, what is it? Nautilus shell. How do I make that? Okay, this is the Nautilus. I guess I gotta kill this, get shell. What is that? What of these are weird. Strange too. Nope, I'm probably gonna end the video off there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe. Bye guys.